Good morning, students. How are you all? Take out your English grammar copy. Today we will do practice exercise 3, and this is the last practice exercise of the chapter adjective. Okay? After doing this practice exercise, you can easily solve the exercise which is given in your book. Okay? First, we will summarize what are the degrees. There are 3 types of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. What is the rule of comparative? ER and then is written. Second is superlative is EST and the is written, and superlative is for more than 2 people, and comparative is comparison between 2 person, 2 places, 2 animal, 2 things. Okay? Now my first sentence is Ali is dash than Adam. Ali is, and the word is tall. Word is tall. There is comparison between 2 persons, Ali and Adam, and the word is tall. So what will be the comparative degree of tall? You will write taller. After tall, you will write taller. In the space given here, you will write here taller. Okay? Now second one. Pineapples are dash than oranges. Pineapple and oranges. The comparison between 2 fruits, pineapple and oranges. The word is sweet. Okay, so what will be the comparative degree of sweet? Sweeter. Okay, pineapples are sweeter than oranges. After sweet, you will write ER. Understood? Now, third one. This is the dash book. This is the dash book I have ever read. And the word is sad. In the sentence, the is written means the word will be superlative degree. This is the saddest book I have ever read. यह सबसे दुखद वाली बुक है जिसको मैंने अभी तक के पढ़ा है. Saddest, SADDEST, saddest. Understood? Now fourth one. Winter is the season. Again, the is written. Winter is the oldest season. Okay? Oldest season. COLD, cold. What will be there? COLD, cold. Now, fifth one is my bag is dash than yours. मेरा बैग आपके बैग से हेवी है. Again, comparison between my bag and yours. The word is heavy. So what is the comparative degree of heavy? You will write heavier. HEAVIER. Understood? Now third one. Sarah's dress is dash than mine. Again, comparison between Sarah and me. Word is short. Word is short. So what will be the comparative degree of short? Shorter. You will write here shorter. Understood? Now another sentence is summer is dash than autumn. Summer autumn की अपेक्षा गर्म है, hot. So though there are comparison between 2 seasons, so you will write here hotter. In the notes, I have given all the sentences. Okay? Now, 8th one is the elephant is dash than the mine. मेरे से वो elephant क्या है? Big है. Again, comparison between myself and elephant. So, what will be the comparative degree of big? You will write bigger. Okay? Now, 9th sentence. This TV is the big one at the shop. पूरे शॉप में यह टीवी सबसे बड़ा है. पूरे शॉप में जितने भी टीवी हैं comparison between many TVs. So you will write biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Understood? Now 10th one. Sonu can run faster than Mohan. Word is fast. सोनू मोहन के अपेक्षा फास्ट दौड़ सकता है. Again there is comparison between Sohan and Mohan. So and the word is fast. The comparative degree of fast will be faster. Understood? Now last sentence. I was sad because I got the dash grade on the test. मैं दुखी था क्योंकि मुझे सबसे कम मार्क्स मिला था. लो, सबसे कम. तो what will be the superlative degree of low? Lowest. Okay, Lowest. Understood? Now your homework is that first summarize what is adjective, what are the rules of adjective, how many types of degrees are adjective, their rules, and write the whole practice exercises which I have given you earlier also. Practice exercise 1, 2 and 3. Do all these exercises in your copy. Okay, in next class we will discuss the exercise which is given in your book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.